Myself, Lakshmi Tulsi, I am studying 7th class from Margadarshini High School. Today's science activity topic name is volcano. We needed food color, water. Let's start the experiment. Volcano. A volcano is a mountain or hill with an opening. When a volcano erupts, magma is pushed up through the opening with great force. When magma reaches the Earth's surface, it is called lava. Some volcano eruptions are explosive. The color of lava depends on its temperature. Volcanoes are made of small pieces of solid lava called cinder that are erupted from a vent. The ground shakes, a magma rises from within the earth. Then a powerful blast throws melting rocks, ash and gas into the air. Volcanoes are classified by the eruptions type and by the volcanic cone shape. The largest volcano on Earth is in Hawaii. It's called Mauna Loa. There are around 1500 active volcanoes in the world. Volcano can grow quickly. Thank you.